Greetings from Florida. Here we're working on a 92 to 2000 Mitsubishi Montero. This is the left front. We're going to change the window regulator. It's a cable regulator that broke. I had been here before and locked the window up. Couple covers right there. One small screw right there. Two Phillips screws right there and there. You'll see on the right hand side there's a couple pieces missing, a couple push-ins missing. The customer didn't have them. I did pop off the light right there. A couple screws. Just so I could unhook it, make it a little bit easier. If you find this video beneficial, do me a favor, like, L-I-K-E, like the video. That will help other people, such as yourself, find it on YouTube. If you have any questions, ask right here on YouTube. I'll be glad to answer them within a day or so. Pull off the switch, unplug it. I had to glue the switch down because it was broken at part of it. You'll see that too. Gently with the plastic covers, gently. You don't want to break those. I took off the side view mirror cover. Pop that off. Unplug the wiring harness. Everything is accessible. It's not a very difficult repair. It's a moisture barrier that kind of keeps condensation from coming towards the door panel. It doesn't really serve much purpose. If you buy the Lincoln and the Caddy, you get nice sound baffling material. But two 10mm bolts. No, actually, you know what? I think there were screws. I think there were two Phillips screws there, if not mistaken. Little WD-40 on the two up and down channels on the side. Everything goes better. There's my $2.99 Harbor Freight suction cup. Good company, both as far as pricing, selection, and they were very helpful to the communities during the pandemic. Bosch tools, that's what I'm using. I'm not even paid for that. They're the best, by far, the best. I'm going to take those 10mm out through the plastic. Out with the old. Just plugging in the window motor. And I believe there's 4 bolts, top and bottom of that. So 7 bolts total, and then 2 screws that go from the regulator to the glass. Tighten everything down. And that's pretty much it, my friends. That's as simple as it gets. So again, if you have any questions, please ask right here on YouTube. I'd be glad to answer them. And if this was beneficial, do me a favor, like the video. And thank you for watching. And it's about another 2.5 minutes if you want to see the whole thing. Thanks a lot.